Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to jump straight into today's video. Today we're going to be discussing blow drying 101, how to blow dry natural hair. So here's my hair. It is freshly washed. I have just come out of the shower. It is a little bit dry, but it's still a little bit damp. So today we're going to be using this one-step hair dryer styler brush thing that I bought from eBay. You can buy this pretty much anywhere. The one that I purchased was from an Australian seller, and it's sort of like a Denman brush or a Tangle teaser brush, except it's attached to a hair dryer. It just makes things so much easier for you. So it has a few functions: cool, low and high, and also off, depending on what heat you want it at. Big mistake that I made is that I didn't read the description. I don't think the seller actually said whether the socket would be a UK socket or Australian socket, but it's not an Australian one, so unfortunately I have to use an adapter with it. So just be wary of that when you're purchasing yours. So I'll be going in with some jojoba oil on my freshly washed hair, so my hair is damp, just to make sure I cover my hair and that it's, you know, well covered with the jojoba oil. Then I'll go in with my Sheamoisture coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, and I really make sure that I cover my head with this because obviously my hair is freshly washed. I did shampoo and condition. This was like a proper deep wash because my hair really needed this. So I know that I've stripped a lot of moisture from my hair, so I'm going to be really thorough in applying the moisture back into my hair, sectioning each segment of my hair and then applying the smoothie in all these sections just to make sure my hair is fully coated. As it is winter time and as I'm going to be blow drying my hair, I really need to make sure this is a #1 step. So the most important step when you're applying any heat to your hair is to invest in a heat protector. Guys, this is vital. This is 101. You need this in your life if you're going to be dabbling with any heat on your hair. Any products to do with heat and a heat protector go together. They are best friends. They live together. They are husband and wife. They need to be together. So going in with your desired heat protector, you're going to go around spraying your hair just to make sure your hair is fully covered. Similar to what I did with the leave-in conditioner, I'm separating each part and making sure that my hair is actually coated. You don't just want to spray around your hair and then the top of your hair, because that will be the only place that is protected. Type 4 hair is very dense and it's very thick, so you actually do need to make sure that you take the time to separate each section so that each section is coated with whatever product you're applying. I'm going to separate my hair and begin blow drying it. Again, always working in section is the best way to go. So I'm trying to start with small sections. And I'm using a high heat and making sure that I pass through the hair very quickly. Making sure that you pass through the hair quickly means that you're not spending too much time applying too much heat on the area. This applicator comb actually helps the process because you're not spending too much time trying to maneuver with the comb and the blow dryer at the same time. Guys, if you see smoke like this, then you know that it's too high. At this point, this is when I decrease the heat to low. You don't want to see smoke while you're doing anything to your hair. This usually happens for the denser parts of your head, so around the center of the head where your hair is a lot denser, so you need to work with smaller sections to minimize the amount of heat you're applying and how long you're applying the heat. So after going through all my hair, making sure that it's well blow dried, I'm gonna add some more moisture back into the hair. So I'm going in with the organic Suku shea butter, and this is pure organic shea butter, making sure that I sort of warm it up in my hands before I start applying it to my scalp. And because it is winter for us here in Australia, your scalp can get very dry and very flaky really quickly. So it's always good to make sure you replenish the oils and you replenish the moisture back. After I've done that, I go through with the quick pass with the blow dryer just to make sure I melt all the shea butter that's sort of in clumps in my hair. And that's what my hair looks like when it's blow dried. I haven't fully blow dried it as much as I could have, but I'm really afraid of playing with heat with my hair. I have had heat damage before and it wasn't the greatest. So I'm definitely very particular and very sensitive when it comes to applying heat to my hair. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.